Hello guys, welcome back to our second lecture. Hope you enjoyed the first lecture and you are done with first lecture, introductory lecture. You practiced it on your own, you tried different things, you experimented, and now we are going to continue our journey for full stack web development course so that we may acquire new skill and will be equipped with new expertise with free of cost, obviously. So let's dive back into it, and there will be a lot of fun, challenges, upcoming quizzes, and tasks. See you there, and hope we all will have a long lasting journey with each other. So let's dive into it. I hope you have tried. I hope you have tried, and now we are getting back in action with our first assignment almost being done, and it will be a milestone and achievement for all of us. Let us come down here, H3, hobbies, H3, contact me, control S, let us see. Something is missing, and that is horizontal line. HR, control S, let us see. There we are after hobbies again. So we got to mention here, control S, refresh. Very nice. You see now we are getting closer to what we said we will be making. And you were saying that we haven't, many of you wouldn't have ever seen such thing, but now you did it on your own. Congratulations. You can add a new skill to your portfolio and to your CV. Now what is missing? The links are missing, the picture is missing, this formatting is missing. Okay, no issue. So what can we do? How can we add links? Why don't we go at the top and try to add some link? So where is our school? Here is our school. So what if for a link, just A, you see anchor is written, enter. There you are. And for the text you want to have the link, for example, first, just copy it, Control X, Control V. Let us see what happens now. Control S. Let us see. Oh, very nice. Okay, if you want the link to open in another tab, so that's what we are going to do. Let us refresh, and there you go. You see now why is it showing index? Okay, if you are going to mention something here, it will take you to that point. So I hope that you get what I'm trying to say. Now it's your task to add link, a blank link, for example, to second and third too. Give it a try and then we'll solve it together. I hope you tried, and now we will be doing it all together. Control X, Control V. Now again something here. A. There you go now. Control S. Let us see what happens here. Yes, there are links. It will go to another page. Yes. Oh, there's some issue with the spacing, so we must add space here. Now it's correct, I believe. Yes, very nice. You can add any link you want, you can have, but paste that link at the place of this hashtag. For example, if this is my link, Control C, so is Control V, Control S. Let us observe now. So there I click, and here we are. You see, simple. Whatever link you paste at the place of hashtag, that will be opened. So get it back there. So we got links here. What else we are missing? Okay, so I have mentioned here my LinkedIn. How did I? Similar, it's a challenge for you. Try to anchor your LinkedIn profile with your name's profile. Come on, give it a try. It's easy. You did it here in education. Similar will be the process for your LinkedIn profile. Come on, give it a try. I hope you have tried. Now we are going to do the similar thing here. Obviously, there we are, Control S. Now refresh, and you see, here we are. That's all, nothing else. So what are we going to do next? We got link here, we got link here. Now hobbies and contact me. Now we want to go to another place. So how are we going to do? When we click hobbies, we are gone to hobbies page. So how can we do this? It is a challenge for you. Try to do on your own. Try to seek out that how can you do this. And if you don't, there's no problem. We will do it together. We will learn and then we'll practice. So I hope that, I don't know what is wrong with it. Yes, thank you. So I hope that you have tried. Now we will be taking a new step here. Now we want our hobbies to take us to hobbies page. And similar is the case for contact me. Obviously we are going to put anchor text on hobbies. So let us put it here. Similar is the case with contact me. There you go. Now what are we going to do next? Let us refresh. Yes, very nice. Now what we will do, right click, make a new file, obviously inside this. So one is hobbies.html. This is very important to write HTML, otherwise it won't work, because obviously you are working in HTML. Contact me.html. There you go. Now let us put these names here. The name, spelling, pattern, all must be similar. Hobbies.html, and let us write it here what we have written there. Contact me.html. Nice. Let us observe, are we correct or not? Now hobbies, very nice. Took us to hobbies.html. Now contact me, very nice. It took us to contact me.html. So we are very close to our destination. Now we are going to, now do you remember that what we did in index on our first page? Try to do the similar thing here. So I hope that you have tried. You will do HTML, enter, that's all. And now in body, what we are going to do now. For hobbies, we are going to put us, first of all, heading, underline, and now the bullet points in a different form. So we did the same with the contact me page as we did in the start with the personal site index page. Now we will be moving forward for hobbies. Obviously, we'll do the same HTML, enter, and here we are. Now as a benchmark, we need to write hobbies, underline, and then we have to list, and this time it won't be unordered list, it will be ordered list in numbers. So pause the video right now, and it's a challenge for all of you. Try to make the hobbies page as it is. Pause the video and try. So I hope that you have tried. Now we will move forward together to see that how we are going to get. Now we will move forward and see how to tackle this issue. So first of all, H3 enter, hobbies, my hobbies, I'm sorry, my. So Control S, go there, here we are, refresh, hobbies. So we need to make it a bit larger, so why don't we try with H1, Control S, refresh, hobbies, yes, that's it. Now we will do underline, I mean horizontal line, horizontal rule, Control S. And now we are going to now try to remember what we did when it was unordered listing. We used UL. Now what about ordered listing? So let's get back to our work. Try to find on your own and then see are you doing it right or not. HTML bullets. Open this up. So now we are looking for ordered HTML list. So how are we? Ordered list and rest is the same. So let's check this out. OL, enter, LI, enter, first, hobby, LI enters, second, hobby, LI enter, third, hobby, that's it. Now let's check that out. Here we go, very nice. So now we are going for contact me page. The good thing is that we have connected it, but now we will be looking forward. So contact me page will have something like this. So it will have your address, number, email address, and all this, so that one can directly send you a message if you want this or not. You can try, you can experiment obviously different things, but I will go with this thing and you can try the rest later on. and can even ask questions. Feel free to ask as many questions as you want. So let's get this done. H1 again, enter, contact me, horizontal line or rule. Then we are going to ask for address. So it's your own decision if you want it like this or you want it numbered. Try on your own and then just come on our list. li EWDR address. And then you will be writing why am I making it differentiated. The reason is rather you'll get to know the reason later on. So here we are. Let's see how is it looking at the moment. Very nice, getting better. Okay, so here we are. Now we are going to put our on. Obviously, each one will write on address like ABC Street, house number, etc. and number any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Email address abc at the rate of, for example, gmail.com. And there we are. Let's see how are we going to do that. That won't take long time. Here we are. What about beautifying? We left it long ago and here we are. That looks beautiful, I hope. Now we are moving forward. Okay, so form. This is for making a form just by HTML. So what are we going to do? What will be the class? What will be the action? What will be the method? So as we are looking forward, and for form, we need to use label, and you must look that what's the reason behind all this. So let's see what is going to happen now. We don't need any class. Action will be, I'll tell you later on. And we want our message to be in form of text or plain, obviously. So here we will write about our mail to anything that your email that you want your clients to text, or the company to whom you send your CV. Just write your own email address, for example, mine talhamir but at the rate of gmail.com. So that will be an example, an imaginary email for this reason. And next, what we will be needing their name, mail, and then message. Okay, so label. So what are we going to write in the label? Or you can write your name, and then obviously you will be asking for their input. Input will be in form of text. There won't be any value. Why don't we like refresh? Here we are, very nice. Then we will be asking about your email. Here we are, obviously now their input. Best thing is that you can select it from here, email, there won't be any value, but the name, or what if we remove the name too? Let's see what happens next. See, we will be needing line breaker here too. Then there will be another label that will be your message. Your message. Here we are, and now as we require large area, so that is why we will be selecting the size. Let's see how this looks. Very well, very nice. But what can we do to have it? The Lord said, what if we put a line breaker here? And then what are we looking at now? So what if we write something? Oh, we are missing. So how are we going to put that now? Let's see. Input, submit button, where are you? So here it is. Submit. There won't be any value. Let's check this out. Here we are. Let's see. Talha. 1, 2, 3. Hello. That's the thing that I wanted to show you, that if you write at input, if you write in the form of email, it will verify. If you haven't written in the form of mail, then it won't proceed. So that's very nice. Once you refresh this, everything will be gone. So we are almost at the end. We have hobbies, we have contact. Now we are missing a picture. So now we are going to have our picture. So how can we add our own picture that is similar to what we are looking? So whatever I want to add my own image. For this, what I did, I downloaded a picture from Facebook and I added to my YouTube personal website folder. You should do that too. Here is an and here is that image. So let's see now what is going to happen. So this is all. Now we are going to add the image, and before the image enter, we must have a new folder within that must be named as images, and this must be inside there. Now we are going to start images slash prof .jpg. Let's see if this works or not. My profile image. This is a text that you may write. In case your image doesn't appear, the text will appear and you will come to know there is something. Refresh, and here we are. So there is some issue with it. Let's see how can we got to make it in a form of table. So as we talked previously that we are going to form a table. there will be one table raw, but obviously there will be td means table description, and we will include this to here. One more td. Let's see what happens now. Control X, Control V. This won't be required. So let's see what if we paste this to Control X. Control this is here, but there is something wrong with the image, and it is also appearing as H1. There is something wrong with the image that we must look for. What is happening? What if we try now? So that's getting better and better. We are going to do something with the image. Let us see what can we do. TD enter. We are going to enter the image. It will be images slash prof.jpg. The alternate text will be my profile image. I hope this. Yes, here we are. At least we can crop our image, but first. Why is this image like this, and what can we do about it? So the easy solution is that use a free online image cropper to which you can crop the image. I'll just crop the image and I'll upload again so that you may become clear that how we can do this, and then we'll be ready for everything. Yes, no doubt about it. So here we are. I just cropped my image. So let's see what happens now. What's the name? prof to.jpg. Let's observe. Here we are. So this means that if you are good at cropping images, this all will be ready. So congratulations. We are all set. The only thing is left is uploading our CV on online platform so that we can share it through our link. And now we are going to do that. So I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture in which I tried my best to make you understand that how we can make our online CV together. Although there were many mistakes, but we do learn from our mistakes, and I'm in learning phase too because I believe that learning never stops. So I hope that you followed me with each of our steps that were taken in the video, and I believe that you will be going to practice all this again and again so that you get professional and expert in what we have done and what we are doing. So here we are in the next lecture. I will be telling you that how can we upload our CV or even any other product or any other project that you want to host on the internet totally free of cost. And if there's any issue in this or any previous lecture, or if there is any suggestion, feel free to suggest me to comment under the video in the comment box. I have mentioned in the description all the packages and it was, I believe, my second video of first lecture. Visit that and start working over it. I hope that you will like, subscribe and share, and will turn your notification button on so that we may get in contact whenever I upload new video each week. Hope to receive positive feedback from you. Even if it's negative, then I'll improve, and if it's positive, then I'll improve still. So see you again next week. Hope we all will learn from our mistakes and will continue to grow. Thank you. Take care. Good luck. See you next week. Bye.